The 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, outside temperature gauge, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, auto headlight on/off. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.